Hi, I'm Paul Whiffin from ATSPACE, and today I'm going to give a quick explanation to why System 1 fans fail. They're intermittent fans, System 1. They're the ones that come on and off in your bathroom. There's a few main reasons why we do get problems sometimes to why they fail. The first one is picking the right fan. A lot of manufacturers specify the litres per second that they take out of the room. Please be careful, that's in a laboratory sort of room and doesn't take into consideration any sort of duct work. So be a little bit careful there. Length of duct work, you really want to keep your duct work to a minimum, and choice of duct work as well is absolutely key. We have got a great video on showing the different effects of duct work has on airflow. The last point really to add there is how the ductwork exits the building, the exhaust as we call it. So if you are going for the roof, please be very careful on the roof vents as they really do restrict airflow. So pick wisely. If they do come through the wall, you get different styles of grill. Just make sure that they don't create a lot of resistance on the airflow. Otherwise, you won't be passing your Part F. Thanks for watching. Hopefully those little tips will help you guys get compliant the easy way. Any further questions or advice, please give ATSPACE a call. We'll be happy to help you. On F, and I've talked an absolute load of rubbish. Install the